Hi, I'm Brian.
I'm Justin.
We're with the residential construction program here at CVTC, and we're here to talk to you today about GFCI circuits. So the other day, I was going to turn on my coffee pot, and what I found out was my coffee pot wouldn't turn on.
Yeah, it's a common problem for kitchen appliances to not work sometimes. First thing to do is just check, make sure it's plugged in all the way, and if that doesn't do it, then we got to start doing a little bit of research.
Okay.
So, it's plugged in, still no juice. What do we do?
So I would go back to, do we have a GFCI circuit breaker?
Yeah, what's a GFCI circuit breaker?
Ground faulty circuit interrupter. It's a shock protecting factor. So any area that may be associated with water or appliances that are near water.
Oh, that makes sense. So do they have those in bathrooms too?
They do, yep, in bathrooms, and now they're in garages as of 2009.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
So how does that work?
So on this setup here, what I actually discovered with my ground faulty circuit interrupter is that when I went to the coffee pot, it wasn't on, so I had to follow the circuit back. And generally, if there's not an actual button on there, you're gonna have to go back and loop over to the next circuit, because sometimes they'll loop one circuit to the next. So this circuit right here, if we look at this one, there are no lights on there. I have an actual Sperry circuit breaker that you can pick up at a local store for 12 bucks. If we plug in the Sperry circuit breaker into the actual outlet, if you heard that click, the light comes on. That tells you that we have broke that circuit from that GFCI.
Okay. I've seen outlets that look different in kitchens and bathrooms. I always wondered what that was, what those buttons were for.
Yeah. So in order to turn the power back on here, all we have to do is walk over to the circuit breaker, and there's one that says test and then one that says reset.
Okay.
So you can go ahead and push the reset button on there. Okay, the light comes off. So now at this point, I can turn my coffee pot back on.
That simple.
That's simple.
I don't have to go downstairs in the basement and flip the breaker or anything.
Nope.
It's right there.
It's right there.
How cool is that?
Yeah. So if you want to find out more information about CVTC Residential Construction Program, you can go to cvtc.edu.